Today we got a Lamborghini Huracan LP610 instrument cluster and the small display in the central console. The customer reported the small display wouldn't work. Let's open it. You can see it turns on and immediately shuts down. From this issue we know it's a problem in the cluster. What we need to do is to open this instrument cluster and repair it. Why we know the problem is for sure in the cluster? Because the display turns on. But the small display info all come from the cluster. Let's open the cluster. We will solve the issue now. Now let's proceed to the repair. Repair is complete. We don't need to test now. We can assemble it first. Let's try it. Give it power. Working perfectly on first attempt. We can send it back now.